Hello students, welcome to day 2 answers of our 21 days challenge. If you have not done your day 2 problems, please go back to the previous video, complete the day 2 problems and then check the answers here. Now let's dive into the answers. The first question is all about inserting the rational number between 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. So let's take the two numbers 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. So as you all know, the LCM of the 8 and 12 is 24. So let's begin by multiplying this with 3 and this with 2. So as you can see, you get only 15 by 24 and 14 by 24, which are two consecutive fractions. So we can't get three rational numbers between these two. So let's go for the next common multiple, which is 48. So multiply it by 2. Multiples of 24 we will be jumping now. So if you do that, you get 30 by 48 and 28 by 48. Even now we are not getting three rational numbers because only one in between, 29 by 48. So what we'll go for? We'll go for the next LCM, which is 96. So make both the denominators as 96 by multiplying this again with 2. Another one more time of 24. So you get 60 and here you get 56. Now it is easy for you to get three numbers which are 59 by 96, 58 by 96 and 57 by 96. So these are the three rational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. Now at some point I got stuck. Now at some point I made this mistake. That's okay, that's normal, that's how we learn. Wherever you stop at that point and think what can be done more to get the problem. If you made a mistake, that's okay. Analyze where you went wrong and how you went wrong and make sure you don't repeat that next time. That's all we wanted in this 21 days challenge. I don't expect anyone to arrive at the right answer. Even if you're arriving, that's well and good. That's really great. But even if you make mistake, that's nothing wrong. That's how we learn. Very good. Keep doing it. Now coming to the second problem, which is to express this recurring and non-repeat, non-terminating decimal as a rational number in the form of P by Q. So since there is a non-recurring digit 0 in the middle, you have to take the next number. If this number is x, take it as 10x, which will bring the recurring decimal alone to the right hand side of the decimal. So this is one of our number. The next is go for 100x. So this would give you 1205.5 bar. Now only the recurring decimals are there after the decimal point. So it's easy for us to subtract. So 100x minus 10x equals to 1205.5 bar minus 120.5 bar. So this will give you 90x equals to 1085. So x will be equal to 1085 by 90. So bring it to the simplest form. 217 divided by 18 is your P by Q form. Let's do the same thing with your formula. Recurring decimal equals to, write the complete number as such without any decimal minus the number with non-recurring alone. So 120 divided by 10 to the power of 2 decimals are there. So 2 minus 10 to the power of, leaving the recurring only 1 decimal. So 10 to the power of 1. So it is 1085 divided by 90, which will again give you 217 by 18. So this is the P by Q form of the number 12.05 bar. This is how you do it. If you had made any mistake in between, just analyze your mistake and make sure you don't repeat that in our next attempt. Okay? For extra worksheets, join our exclusive WhatsApp club for math practice and you will get the worksheets to do for extra practice. So let's solve one at a time. Thank you. See you in the next video with our day 3 challenge. Bye bye.